Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review EveryDollar app premium. EveryDollar is a budgeting app made to help you manage your money. Now, the free version lets you create a budget, track spending, and plan ahead. But when you upgrade to premium, you get extra features. First, it connects to your bank, so your transactions show up automatically. Then, it gives you custom budget reports, help with goal tracking, and offers financial coaching. Next, the app saves time by sorting expenses into budgeting categories for you. You also get access to baby steps tracking based on Dave Ramsey's system, which helps you follow a clear path to financial freedom. So if you want more automation, in-depth tools, and faster tracking, then yes, it can be helpful. But if you're okay doing things manually, the free version might be enough. In the end, it depends on how involved you want to be in managing your money. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.